Another free resource that I'm sure most elementary teachers know about is abcya.com. It claims to have math games. I let my kids do it when they've earned free time. It's very loosely related to math games. They really like it. I wouldn't necessarily call it educational, maybe a little bit. You can join for a more premium experience. I haven't done that. I don't know how much money it costs, if it would make the math problems better. I don't really use it for that though. If I use it, it's for one thing, and it's for this random name picker. My kids love this. So you just go into ABCYA and search for the random name picker, and then it comes up here. They love it. So then you get started by typing in a list of names. I'll just make some names up here. You can use it, I use it for when we are doing research projects, and sometimes just to choose a student to answer a question. So I'll just do that many. You type your list. Okay, so then you can spin. They like the noises and they like guessing where it's going to stop. So it landed on me. I can choose, depending on what I'm doing, to delete my name from the list or leave it. Obviously, that would be, if you're having them answer questions and you want them to stay on their toes, you'd leave their name on the list. When we use it for research projects like our president project, I would delete their name because they can only get chosen one time. And then that's how we would, it makes it fair. It makes them happy. They love to watch it, and it's very simple. It's very easy and quick to type their names in. So they are always looking for any reason to be able to use the random name picker. It's just something very simple that keeps kids happy and engaged, and they can see that it's fair. And to a fifth grader, it's really important that things are fair. Thank you.